Welcome to MeeLearn-Chinese. Hey, it's Rose Lee. In this lesson, you will learn first how to use the Chinese word 有, which is to have, to express possessions. Second, you will learn how to use the same Chinese word 有 to express existence. Third, you will learn how to use 还 to express and also. Last, you will learn how to use the question word 几 to express how many. 这是我家。这是我妈妈。
阿姨好。
你好。这是我爸爸。
叔叔好。
你好。
我家有5个人。我有一个哥哥，还有一个姐姐。这是我哥哥的房间。这是爸爸和妈妈的房间。这是我和姐姐的房间。你家有几个人？
我家有3个人，爸爸、妈妈和我。
Using 有 to express possessions.The sentence structure is like this. Subject plus 有 plus object. This is like saying somebody has something. Let's look at some examples. 我有一个姐姐. I have an older sister. Other examples? 我有一个哥哥. I have an older brother. 我有一只狗. I have a dog. 我有一只鸟. I have a bird. 我有一条鱼. I have a fish.Using 有 to express existence. The sentence structure is like this. A place plus 有 plus object. It's like saying some place has something. The verb 有, which means to have, is used here to express existence. This is similar to saying there are or there is something in some place in English. Let's look at some examples. 我家有5个人. Literally, my family has 5 people.There are 5 people in my family. Other example, 我们学校有10个老师. Literally, our school has 10 teachers. There are 10 teachers in our school. Using 还 to express and also. It's like somebody has something and also have something else. For example, 我有一个哥哥，还有一个姐姐. I have an older brother.And also an older sister. 我家有一只狗，还有一只猫。My family has a dog and also a cat. Using the question word 几 to express the idea of how many. The sentence structure is like this. Subject plus verb plus 几 plus measure word plus nouns. For example, 你家有几个人? Literally, your family has how many people?How many people are there in your family? Other examples. 你们学校有几个老师? Literally, your school has how many teachers? How many teachers does your school have? 我们学校有8个老师. Our school has 8 teachers. Another one. 你有几个姐姐? Literally, you have how many older sisters? How many older sisters do you have?我有一个姐姐 I have 1 older sister. 你有几只狗? Literally, you have how many dogs? How many dogs do you have? 我有2只狗 I have 2 dogs. Now, let's review. 阿姨 aunt, which is mom's sister. 叔叔 uncle, which is daddy's younger brother.有 to have. 我家有5个人. There are 5 people in my family. 哥哥 older brother. 姐姐 older sister. 还 also. 我有一个哥哥，还有一个姐姐。I have an older brother and also an older sister. 和 and 房间 room。这是我哥哥的房间 This is my older brother's room。这是我和姐姐的房间 This is me and older sister's room。这是爸爸和妈妈的房间 This is dad and mom's room。几 how many。你家有几个人 How many people are there in your family? Now it's time for a culture tip. 阿姨 has its original meaning as aunt, which is mom's sister. In Chinese culture, it is polite to address a woman that is about your parents' age as 阿姨. That doesn't mean that person is related to you. You can even address a female stranger as 阿姨 just to be polite. Similarly, you can address a man that is about your parents' age as 叔叔, literally uncle, which is dad's younger brother. That's it for today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye!